Today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have a cheesy breakfast quesadilla. All right, as you can see here, I got about a tablespoon or two of butter that's been all melted up, and I added 3 eggs. Now remember, at this point, do not season the eggs with salt and pepper. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a crappy, dry, watery piece of shit scrambled egg. And so basically over a generous heat, basically just keep stirring these eggs till they become scrambled eggs. Should be 2-3 minutes. And you kind of want to take it off the heat and put it back on the heat every so often. And yeah, just no salt and no pepper until the eggs are done. Okay, next step. Okay, when the eggs are done, or just about done, you want to start another pan and get about a couple teaspoons to a tablespoon of vegetable oil heated up. And then you want to add about a half a red pepper that you diced up. And couple of ounces of diced ham. I just eyeballed it. I'd say this is about a half a cup, maybe a little bit more. Just eyeball it. I just took, I think, about half the pack. So then you want to give this a couple of minutes to fry up. Oh, and these, make sure you salt and pepper them. You do want to be a little bit conservative with the salt because the ham is obviously kind of salty. But, like I said, be a little more liberal with the pepper. So yeah, give these a couple of minutes to cook up and we'll be ready for the next step. After a couple of minutes, you want to add our scrambled eggs back in. And then you just want to stir these around until the egg is incorporated with the peppers and ham. Again, you do kind of want to either turn off the heat or kill the heat, because again, you're going to start cooking the eggs again a little bit, and you're running the risk of them being overcooked. So again, either very low heat or just kill the heat entirely. All right, this is the filling for our quesadilla. Let's start making it. Okay, as you can see here, I got a 10-inch tortilla shell that I heated up for about a minute in the microwave. Then you just want to add, I don't know, about a third of this mix. This recipe made about 3 of these. And then you just want to spread the filling to one side. Remember, it's a quesadilla, so everything to one side. And you can use whatever cheese you like, but I decided to go with the classic mozzarella cheese. And then you want to fold it over and press down the filling, kind of spreading it out a little bit more. All right, we should be ready to go to the griddle. By the way, you should be having your griddle heating up over about medium-high heat. You do want the griddle fairly hot. Okie dokie, on the griddle, and we're going to go until both sides are nice, crispy, and golden brown. About a couple of minutes aside. Okay, time for the first flip, and there we go. Alright, we'll see it plating. Through the magic of cooking show editing, our quesadilla is done, nice golden brown. Now let's cut this bad boy open. You can make as many slices as you want, but I decided to go with the classic 4. I don't know, maybe because I'm influenced by Taco Bell a little bit. But basically, that's what you're looking at. So, that's a cheesy breakfast quesadilla. Done.